Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rehman. In this video, we'll be discussing about what is digital marketing. You might have heard about digital marketing and wondered what it is. Or you might have already worked in the industry and want to know what skills are most important for your job. Either way, these are all exciting questions to ask yourself as you build your career in digital marketing. In this video, we'll explore all the basics of how to become a digital marketer and look at some of the common skill set that marketers need to success in this career. The very first thing is blogging. Blogging is a powerful way to build authority and credibility, build an audience, earn links, generate traffic, and grow your brand awareness. To become an effective blogger, you need to learn how to write engaging content that resonates with your target audience and optimize your content for search engine and social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. So the next important skill set is social media marketing. Social media marketing is a great way to connect with your customers, share content, and track leads. It's also a great way to measure your ROI, return on investment, and create a brand awareness as well. Social media marketing can be used as a lead generation strategy. It helps you to find a potential buyer which are interested in your product or services, which makes it easier for you to reach them. Social media marketing increase your visibility on the internet through paid advertisements or sponsored posts that helps you reach more people who may be interested in what you have to offer. The next important skill set you need as a digital marketer is search engine optimization, SEO for short. SEO is the process of improving your website ranking in search results. It can be used to increase traffic and visibility, which in turn can lead to more sales. Once you have high quality websites, it's important to optimize it so that you can get more visitors who are likely to convert into paying customers. The goal of SEO is simple. Make sure that your site ranks higher than other websites on Google or other search engines like Bing or Yahoo. This will help people find what they are looking for when they type something into Google search bar. So the next important skill set you need as a digital marketer is email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tool in your digital marketing toolbox. It's easiest way to connect with your customers and build loyalty while also increasing sales. Email marketing is a great way to build relationship with your customers, generate leads, or create brand awareness. Another important skill set you need as a digital marketer is pay-per-click advertisements, PPC in short. PPC advertisements is one of the most popular channels for acquiring traffic to your website. It's an effective way to drive immediate results and help you build a brand, generate leads, and increase sales if you do it right. PPC advertisement is like digital word of mouth marketing. People are searching online for products and services related to what you offer. So when they find your ad, they click on it rather than typing in a search query. If they like what they see and trust what you have to say, then chances are good that they will convert into paying customers before long. There are many benefits of using pay-per-click marketing, including cost effectiveness and improving visibility on Google search engine results page, SERPs in short. However, there are also some drawbacks such as limited control over where your ad shows up in the SERPs or how much money is spent each month on PPC campaigns. The next important skill set as a digital marketer is analytics. Analytics is a science of measuring and analyzing data. It's also one of the most important skill set you can have as a digital marketer because it helps you to measure and analyze and improve your website, content, and marketing campaigns. The most basic yet advanced type is Google Analytics. This is a free tool that helps you track information such as how many people visited your site each month. You can also get information like where they came from, example search engine or social media. And in a similar way, there are so many add-on details which you can see about your websites, your visitors as well. The next important skill set as a digital marketer is copywriting and content creation. As a marketer, you should know how to create engaging and relevant content for your audience. Copywriting is an art of writing compelling copies that resonate with your target audience. You can use the skills to write for your social media marketing, email marketing campaigns, search engine optimizations, PPC advertisements, and more. Content creation involves creating blogs, posts, and videos that provide value to your readers and viewers. It's also the process of determining which content is most useful for reaching your goals. Digital marketing encompasses a wide or individuals who wants their message spread across internet quickly and easily. To keep up with this dynamic industries by constantly learning things so that you don't get left behind. So concluding this video, digital marketing is a lot of things. It's growing field with new technology and platforms being developed every day. It's also constantly evolving process that requires constant learning to stay on the top of the trends, analyzing data and customer needs. But most importantly, digital marketing is about connecting with people in a meaningful way and helping them achieve their goal, whether those goals are personal or professional. Hope you like this video. See you soon in the next one. Until then, this is Rehman Deraiya signing off.